Hello friends, today I am going to solve again another Accenture problem. In this problem, if you will see, they have given one method, that is count alphanumeric char, and this method will take two arguments, like first one is a string, another one is the length of that string, right? And we have to return total number of alphanumeric character in that string. For example, if you will see, they have given one string like as input str, right? They have mentioned like RAM scores 91.62% in class 12 board exam, right? And we have to return 32. If you will see in this string, right, we have 32 alphanumeric character. That character will contain alphabet like small a to capital small z, capital A to capital Z, right? And numeric means that 0 to 9. So we have to count how much such types of character available in that given string, right? So let's solve this problem. So you can see that, right, this is our this function count alphanumeric char function, and this function is taking two arguments str and n, and we have to return total number of count. So there you can see that this is a string ours, like we have like taken this one and we are sending this string to this method, right, count alphanumeric char, and this method is going to return one integer value, that is total number of count, and here we are going to print that total number of count, right? So here we will return 0, right, return 0 in start so that it will not generate any error, right? Now we will start loop. So our loop will be start from 0 into I0 is less than. So we can use str.length, or we have given, right, second parameter as length of data string, so we will use n, no problem, and I plus plus inside it, right? Inside it what we will do, we will check, right, that if, right, and we have to check each and every character of this string, right? We have to check, right, this r, this a, all, right, all is in alphanumeric or not. So for solving this one, we will use that str.char at, right, char at I, and we will check if char at I is greater than equal to a small a, right, and str. So each and every time we have to write this long word. So what we will do, we will create one character variable so that we don't need to write too much. So we will use char c barabar, right, this one, and we will use c instead of this whole string. So we will use c is greater than equal to a, and right here we will use c is less than equal to a small z, and right, and we will use another same for, right, capital alphabet, so it will be capital A to capital Z, right, and another we need one for numeric, right? So we will check if c is in 0 to 9, right, and here we know this is here they have three conditions, right? So we have to make all three condition as one, because we know that if condition is taking only one condition, so here we will make all three condition as one, right? So it will be, right, one condition if that particular this c is in this one, right, or capital small alphabet or capital alphabet, or right, or this one. So here instead of and we will use or, because we need to check any of three, right? So here we will use or, and we will, whenever this will be happen, we will increment our count plus plus. So for this we need to create one count variable also. So we will create count, and in start we will put count 0, and we will return the count variable, right? So let's run this program. When we are going to run this program, you can see that this is given, right, output as 32. In question they also mentioned, if you will see, this is right, a string RAM scores this one, and the output is 32, because you can see that in this given string r, a, m, s, c, these all are, right, alphabet. So total number of alphabet in this string is 26, and you can see that total number of numeric char, right, is 6, right, 9 1 6. You can see 9 1 6 2 1 2 are numeric, so total number of numeric alpha value is 6. So all total will be numeric, and alphanumeric will be, right, 26 plus 6 is equal 32, right? So let's check with another example. Suppose our array is ab, string is a b c 1 2 3, so it should return 3 3 6, right? So let's run this program. You can see it is returning, suppose we are using a special symbol, anything, right? So in this case it also returns 6, because it will not count this all string, right, because this all are not alphanumeric. So you can see that, right? So this is very easy program. Thank you so much.